What if your LLM could see things the normal Hyperliquid API can't? Welcome to the HyperTracker skill, Hyperliquid's intelligence layer, running inside your LLM. Let's get started. Step 1. Get your free HyperTracker API key. Just go to hypertracker.io and sign up to get it. Step 2. Open your LLM. Claude, ChatGPT, Cursor, Gemini, Copilot, the HyperTracker skill works with all of them. Step 3. Install the skill. You've got two options, our GitHub or our NPM package. Drop either one into your LLM and a single prompt installs it. Step 4. Ask your LLM for advanced insights that aren't available on the normal Hyperliquid API. What's smart money doing on Ethereum? Pull every closed trade for this wallet. Backtest this strategy. 10 seconds later, you've got the answer, plus the code that pulled it. Builders have made amazing things with our API. Copy trading bots, whale alerts, custom dashboards, liquidation maps, backtest engines, all from data in the API. What will you build? Get started with the HyperTracker skill now for free at hypertracker.io. Link to the skill in the description.